Hey YouTubers, I wanted to make a little quick video about washing the internal components to your transmission during a rebuild. I did get this idea directly from Olds Mob 455. So if you guys want to go check out his channel on YouTube, he's got some really good, easy to follow, step-by-step, not instructional, because he makes a point to say it's not an educational, instructional video. He just shows you his process of how he rebuilds a Turbo 400 transmission. But in his video, I really liked how clean the parts came in his rebuild process. So what he was doing was just using 2 buckets. I think in his video he was using 5-gallon buckets, but I got these 3.5-gallon buckets from Menards with this low order mineral spirits. And the reason I have 2 is so that I can have a wash bucket, a rinse bucket, and then you blow everything dry with air. So I just want to kind of share that little technique or method that he used in his Turbo 400 rebuild that I was kind of fighting with, as far as my, trying to figure out, okay, how do I want to try to wash these parts? And that turned out to be a really good option. So thanks again for watching all these videos. Please like, subscribe, and share.